one of the main findings of a report, and I don't think this is a big surprise to many people, but it's that the vast majority of water that gets used in the electricity generation process really is in that power plant operations. So even when you're talking about, say, hydraulic fracturing, there is a fair amount of water that's used, on the order of 20 to 50 gallons per megawatt hour, depending on different technologies for coal, for natural gas, hydraulic fracturing, etc. But if you compare that when you're running the natural gas power plant or the coal power plant, if you build a new one of those, you're using, for the natural gas, you use an order of 200 gallons per megawatt hour consumed in the operations of that plant. For coal, it's actually roughly 500 gallons per megawatt hour. So it's roughly 10 times as much water is being used in the operations of the power plant versus that getting the fuel out of the ground and processing it and transporting it, even for water-intensive technology, relatively water-intensive technologies, such as the hydraulic fracturing.
Why does coal use, what, 2.5 times more, or whatever that is, than natural gas in the cooling?
So one of the main factors driving that is actually the difference in the thermal efficiency of the different power plants. So a coal power plant roughly is about 33% of the heat energy in the coal can be converted into electricity, whereas modern natural gas power plants are called natural gas combined cycle. They're at about a 50% efficiency. So that efficiency difference is the main driver of this difference. There are obviously some subtle technology differences too.